Hello my dear friends, I am Anand, a psychologist and a psychotherapist. Today in this video, I would like to give you some psychoeducation regarding obsessive compulsive disorder. Do you know stress always intensifies your OCD? Do you know anxiety is the basis of your OCD? Do you know anything about the curability of obsessive compulsive disorder? In this video, I would like to provide you some psychoeducation regarding obsessive compulsive disorder or OCD. In my next video, I will provide the tips to manage the OCD symptoms and to how to live healthy even though you have obsessive compulsive disorder. In this video, I am not going to discuss much about the symptoms of obsessive compulsive disorder, mainly because the list of symptoms are very large, which I may not be able to explain in this video. There are a lot of literatures regarding that. I would like to tell you something in simple terms, that we have a lot of obsessions. The people with OCD, obsessive compulsive disorders, do have a lot of obsession, intrusive thoughts, obsessive thoughts, which may or may not lead to compulsive behaviors. So the basis or the basic symptoms of obsessive compulsive disorders are obsessive thoughts, that is intrusive thoughts, and behavioral compulsions. People may think about something which always are troubling for themselves, and behaviors which may be troublesome. If they don't do that behavior, they will have anxiety regarding that behavior. For example, a thought may be that they are contaminated because of some germs. These thoughts will be there continuously in their brain. They would think that the car which they are going to travel tomorrow may meet with an accident. These kind of intrusive, negative, irrational thoughts will be there, and these are basic obsessive thoughts symptoms in an obsessive compulsive disorder patient. Regarding the compulsive behavior, they will be having compulsive behavior like washing their hands continuously, keeping them clean continuously, arranging the things properly whenever and wherever they go. They will be keeping or maintaining a pattern in their life. There are another symptoms, some other symptoms also are there, which are called sensory motor obsessions. Like these patients, OCD patients, will be having compulsive blinking behavior. They will be blinking compulsively. They may have breath related problems, compulsive sighing conditions. They will feel that they are not getting breath, so they will have compulsive sighing. So all these symptoms are related to obsessive compulsive disorder. You must also understand obsessive compulsive disorder is a neurobiological problem. So neurobiological problems means your brain is involved, the chemical structure of your brain is involved, and therefore you have to give it the word, it is a neurobiological disorder. Regarding stress, whenever you are overly stressed, whenever the patient, OCD patient, is overly stressed, naturally the patient will have more obsession, patient will have more compulsive behaviors, and thereby it creates the problem in the patient. So stress management is one key factor in managing the obsessive compulsive behavior. The stress management is one compulsory factor in management of obsessive compulsive disorder. The same thing is applicable in anxiety related issues also. Anxiety creeps in when the obsessive compulsive disorder patient is unable to complete a particular ritual or a compulsive behavior. So anxiety may become a base of the obsessive compulsive disorder patient's problem, and therefore management of anxiety is also an important thing which a patient must understand clearly. Whether obsessive compulsive disorder is curable or not curable. Let us take the example of diabetics. When a person has diabetic is a problem which is related to your pancreas gland. That means the pancreas gland is not secreting the required amount of insulin so that the blood glucose level is maintained. So when a patient detected with diabetics or the patient is diagnosed with diabetics, he has been given medicine to manage the sugar level in the bloodstream. That means the patient will be encouraged to manage the sugar level with 3 methods: physical exercise, diet control and medicine. Diabetics is a disease which cannot be cured, but it can be managed. It can be managed with the help of the 3 methods: medicines, physical exercise and diet control. In the same way as we treat diabetics, obsessive compulsive disorder is also not curable. But you don't have to worry about it. Obsessive compulsive disorder is a condition. It is a neurobiological condition. It can be managed effectively with the help of medicine, with the help of psychotherapy and with the help of physical exercise, just like in the case of diabetics. So that also means even though diabetic is a life-threatening disease, it can be managed and the person with diabetics can live much longer with the help of medicines, with the help of physical exercise, with the help of dieting. In the same way, the person with OCD, here OCD is not a life-threatening disease. It is not going to harm you in any way. But definitely OCD is going to be there throughout the life. It cannot be cured, but it can be managed with the help of physical exercise, with the help of medicine, with the help of psychotherapy. And there are many tips which can help you to manage your OCD. In my next video, I will be discussing about the management part of the OCD. In this video, I gave you some psychoeducation regarding OCD. You must understand the psychoeducation video because many of the patients are in the wrong conclusion that OCD can be 100% cured. We understand the OCD cannot be cured, and that is the only way to have a particular viewpoint about the OCD and then to have a cure for OCD. So you must watch my next video also, where I am going to provide you some tips to manage OCD, psychotherapeutic techniques to manage your OCD symptoms, anxiety, stress, etc. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share this video and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.